Hello friends, welcome to Entri, and there is some good news that RBI assistant has released RBI has released its mains examination date for assistant post. As you know that this notification was arrived on 2019, and in fact the prelims examination was also held, but after that pandemic situation happened and your examination has postponed. In fact, two examinations are lined up for the mains one. One is the RBI assistant and the second one is the SBI clerk mains. So they will come one by one, as you know that. So the first good news is that RBI has released its mains examination date for assistant examination. Let's move on and let's see what the notification was. Here you can clearly see that RBI recruitment for the post of assistant of 2019. Remember that. Please refer to a notification was dated on 17 March 2020 regarding postponement of. So they have announced on 17th of March 2020 that their mains examination will be postponed. Okay, consequent to relations in the lockdown conditions. As we know that it has now been decided that the mains examination will be conducted on 22nd of November. Remember that. Let me make it very clear that your examination will be conducted on 22nd of November. And I believe there is not going to be any kind of delay because most of the examinations have already done in the banking sector. But RBI is a different organization. That's why it released its notification according to its suitable time. Okay. In a view or request received from the candidates for change in the center for the mains examination due to lockdown restrictions, the bank has decided to give an opportunity to the candidates to change the center of mains examination. So you will be getting an availability for opportunity, or you can say that you will be getting a facility of center change. Okay, because let's say that most of the students were preparing in Delhi. All right, but they were not from Delhi. They have arrived in Delhi for just preparation. So that's why they have chosen the center for mains examination in according to their availability. But now the pandemic situation happened and most of the aspirants have moved back to their home. That's the reason that RBI has given the facility to change the center. Okay. A link for the center change will be made available shortly on our website. So it will be available shortly in a couple of days. All the other conditions and eligibility in this regard advertisement, as you know that this advertisement or notification arrived on December 2013, 2019 will remain unchanged. Okay, so you'll be getting two things, that your examination, mains examination will be conducted on 22nd of November. And after that, you can change your center as well. Okay, according to the availability. So it's up to you. RBI has provided you each and every opportunity to give your exam in your best of manner. All right. So that's it from my side, guys. One thing you should remember: those whose examination will be on 22nd November must start their preparation. Remember that. And those who had already cleared SBI prelims should prepare for mains exam, because the SBI clerk mains will definitely conducted after the RBI examination. Okay, so that's it from my side. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Till then, thank you. Keep watching Entri.